Hey everyone, Ali here. So at this edition of What Would Ali Do, we want to talk again about online reviews. Now, this time we're going to talk about it, coming from the employee's perspective, meaning you have a former employee, they're upset, they're sad that maybe you terminated them, or maybe they're just mad that they no longer work there for whatever reason, and they decide to go on there and bash you. And the reality is that unfortunately, that does happen. People sometimes think it's just from patients, but employees can leave reviews as well. A couple of important things to know about. One is that employee reviews, if they acknowledge that they're an employee and things of that nature, is actually in contrast to, or in contravention, I should say, to the rules of a lot of these online platforms. So like Yelp and Google reviews and whatnot, because they're meant not for a place for employees to gripe, but rather for patients to explain their experience with you. And so sometimes you're able to remove it for that reason. The other thing that happens with employees is that sometimes they make defamatory comments. This is the most unethical doctor in our city, and they overdiagnose, or they don't know what they're doing, or they really didn't get this education, some falsehood. In those scenarios, you do have some legal protections in place that you can use to go after them. And sometimes, we may not recommend a lawsuit, but a really strong demand letter for them to stop this behavior works wonders. So if you are ever, unfortunately, on the other side of this, and you have gotten, some sort of negative review by an employee, even by a patient, and it's defamatory, let us know. We can get that off for you. Take care.